Ora bota dentro da biblioteca ou uma livraria, bota queda surpreender para quanto book de Aruba por raia, ou justamente desapontar. Tem book em particular que está lá na roupa atenção para a forma original que ela topa para analisar Aruba sua população multinacional e multicultural. Tessa Peters está continuando.
Nanta é pareja responsável pela introdução verdadeira de Econo Pizza na Aruba. Ora, além da cercana patada em e-book, estava a querer entre outros, se cambio para Nanta grande, adaptando a cultura do país.
Actually, not. But it has been nice to stay in a place where there are so many different cultures and daily approach and daily live with this different culture. In the other part of the world, you will see they are going to have a lot of problems. But over here, we are on the happy island.
Actually, it is. We realized that, and of course, we have the difference that we met with, like the school system, the problem, not the problem, but the how can I say, the things doing the permit, the bureaucracy, the thing, kind of different step you have to go through when you are in a different place. But the point is, the people, yes, are always nice. That's the first thing we realize. Always like smiling and say hi, hello, whatever, which we are not used to in Italy, because it's like more close, more, not so open-minded and open, like easygoing people. So that was a really differences that we realized right away. But that was nice. All these things was like different, but in a positive way.
Following up the tradition for Christmas or big events like Easter, we just following up the same things. Finding out if we are related to food, finding out the ingredient over here, it's easy. And plus the timing and the way the people celebrate, it's pretty nice, and it's pretty close to Italy, actually.
Pe pareja aqui, mantener certa tradição e introduzir na mesmo momento tradição na novo, é bem natural.
Like, we learned about the campamento, for example, was something that we never did, but we like having to deal with because it's nice.
E se não tenho mencionar coisa que põe na escorrer e a enamorar de Aruba, elota?
Like quality of life, which is for us, I think, was the main reason why actually we decided to come here, because we realized it was really a good compromise between like Caribbean island, but still not like other places that are like away from everything. 2 hours you are in Miami, and it's like an international island. And actually it is a multicultural island.
Quality of life.
Quality of life, yeah, really high.
Really high.
Not only
everything is close. It is a small island, but everything is easy. Let's say something. If you have to do in Aruba, you can do everything you can do everywhere in the world, but it's better to do it here.
Tessa Peters, Notícia Hoje Noite.